Hi guys, welcome to this video. So at last video we already built this steering wheel, which is epic, and sorry about the noise, I'm just rendering other project. So what we are going to do in this video is to update this steering wheel. So I'm gonna add pad shifter here and the clutch, the e-brake, and also these motors, rumble motors on the wheel. So let's do it. That's awesome. Okay guys, so in this steering wheel update, I also add extra button on that button, square, triangle, and round button, but I also gonna add that extra button. But now it's getting dark, I'm gonna continue it tomorrow. Look at that moon.
Where I'm
Alright guys, this is the new update of this steering wheel. So what is new on this steering wheel? So over here, as you can see, we have two rumble motors, so we can feel the vibration when we play just like regular controller. And here we have pad shifter, which is epic. And then we have e-brake, and then also the clutch. Look at that. So I use the left joystick as the clutch, and we also have extra buttons over here. This is for the D-pad, and this is for the square, triangle, and the circle button, which is work pretty cool. I know it looks stupid, as you can see there's so many strings there, but trust me guys, this is absolutely epic. All the button almost fully function except the PlayStation button. I don't really need that. And if you wonder how can I play Forza Horizon with DS4 controller, because I have DS4 Windows, which is controls everything. You can remap the button, and let's test the rumble motors. Look at that, it works. This is epic. Alright, let's play some games. I mean Forza Horizon, of course. Alright guys, now we are in Forza Horizon. We are riding this Subaru, my favorite rally car. Okay, let's go. The problem with this steering wheel is the dead zone in this rotation, because it makes the control a bit harder. I mean, difficult to control. Let's see if the e-brake works. Okay, the e-brake is working. I need to learn how to drift. With the rumble motors working pretty good, I can feel the vibration, which makes a better experience when using this controller. I mean steering wheel. Alright guys, that was fun. I love this steering wheel. I can't believe I can make something like this. So if you like this video, please leave a like for me and subscribe if you want to see my next project in the future, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss it. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. As always, stay creative my friends.